Have a pile of beautiful junk journal ephemera, but you're not sure what to do with it? In this quick beginner guide, I'll show you 5 easy ways to use tags, tickets, labels, pockets, journal cards, and little paper pieces in your junk journal. You don't need complicated techniques. Just start with a few pieces you love and build one page at a time. Number 1. Use ephemera to add layers. Start with a background page, then add a torn paper piece, a tag, a ticket, a label, or a small floral cutout. Layering is what gives a junk journal page that rich, handmade, vintage feeling. Even 2 or 3 small pieces can make a simple page feel much more interesting. Number 2. Create pockets. Pockets are one of the easiest ways to make a junk journal page feel interactive. You can tuck in tags, journal cards, notes, photos, recipes, or little keepsakes. A pocket also gives your page a practical purpose, not just decoration. Number 3. Use tags for notes. Tags are perfect for short journaling, favorite quotes, memories, dates, prayers, or hidden messages. You can leave them blank, decorate the edges, add ribbon or twine, and tuck them into a pocket so the page feels like it has a little secret inside. Number 4. Fill empty spaces. Small ephemera pieces are perfect for finishing a page. Use tiny labels, tickets, stamps, flowers, and paper scraps to decorate corners or blank areas. The trick is not to cover everything. Leave some breathing room so the page still feels soft and balanced. Number 5. Build a theme. When your ephemera pieces match in color, style, or subject, the whole page feels more complete. For example, you can create a floral page, a vintage page, a fairy tale page, a gothic page, or a travel page just by choosing pieces that belong together. Once you put these ideas together, your page starts to feel layered, personal, and full of character. You can mix pockets, tags, labels, journal cards, lace, flowers, and small paper details to create a spread that feels beautiful, but still easy to make. That is the magic of ephemera. Start simple. Choose one page, pick a few pieces you love, and add one layer at a time. There are no strict rules in junk journaling. Just create, experiment, and enjoy the process. For more printable junk journal kits and beginner ideas, check the links below. Happy journaling!